Samsung is finally expanding its latest software update to more devices, and this time it's the Galaxy S25 FE getting the spotlight. The company has officially released the One UI 8.5 beta for this Fan Edition model, bringing a redesigned interface and a bunch of new features. Earlier, the beta program was only available for the main Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Standard, Plus and Ultra models. Now, Samsung is extending that experience to the S25 FE, which is great news for users who want early access to the latest software improvements. At the moment, the beta update is live in South Korea and India. However, Samsung is expected to expand availability soon to regions like the UK and the United States. So if you're outside the currently supported countries, you might not have to wait too long. Now, before you rush to install it, there are a few important things you should know. First, this is not a small update. The download size is around 4.5 GB, which means you'll need a stable internet connection and enough storage space on your device. It's always a good idea to connect to Wi-Fi and make sure your battery is charged before starting the process. If you want to try it out, the process is pretty straightforward. You need to download the Samsung Members app from either the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. After that, log in using your Samsung account, the same one linked to your phone. Once you're inside the app, look for the One UI 8.5 beta program banner. After registering your device, you can go to your phone settings, head to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. If everything goes right, the update should appear, and after installation, your phone will restart with the new software. Now let's talk about what you're actually getting. One UI 8.5 is based on Android 16 and it focuses on improving both design and functionality. While Samsung hasn't detailed every single change specifically for the S25 FE, we already know from other devices that this update includes a refreshed user interface, smarter features and better system performance. You can expect smoother animations, improved customization options, and enhancements across apps like gallery settings, and more. Samsung is also pushing more AI-based features, making the overall experience feel more intelligent and personalized. However, there's a catch, and it's a big one. This is a beta update, which means it's still under testing. It's not the final version, and it can come with bugs, glitches, and performance issues. Some apps may not work properly, the system might feel unstable at times, and you could even face unexpected crashes. That's why Samsung clearly warns users to install it at their own risk. If the Galaxy S25 FE is your main phone, especially if you rely on it daily for work, communication, or important tasks, installing the beta might not be the best idea. You could run into problems that make your phone harder to use. On the other hand, if you're someone who likes trying new features early, and doesn't mind dealing with occasional issues, this beta could be exciting. You'll get a first look at what Samsung is working on and experience the upcoming changes before everyone else. Beta programs also play an important role in improving the final software. Users who install these versions can report bugs and give feedback, helping Samsung fix issues before the stable release. So in a way, by joining the beta, you're not just testing new features, you're also helping shape the final version of the update. Overall, the arrival of One UI 8.5 beta on the Galaxy S25 FE is a positive move. It shows that Samsung is committed to bringing new features to more devices, not just its top-tier models. But at the same time, it's important to be careful. Beta software is always a work in progress, and it's best suited for users who understand the risks. For everyone else, waiting for the stable version might be the smarter choice.